My dear brothers and sisters, we have come to the end of the mission discourse on which we have been reflecting this whole week. At the end of that mission discourse, Jesus tells the 12 apostles, to all of us, two things: persevere, endure to the very end. Second, you are all precious to me. And again, add third to it, I accompany you on a mission journey. We are reflecting upon yesterday that as they go to preach in the distant lands, or as we try to live our Christian faith, we have obstacles, we have crosses and trials, both from within and without. There are times we want to give up. Jesus tells us, persevere, live your faith, live to your values. Do not give up, do not be half-hearted, but persevere till the end, because each one of us is precious to God. And he told us a simple example of all the hair of your head, he says, are counted, and not one of them falls without Father's knowledge. And so, as we are ending on this journey, maybe it's time to look back at our own lives and see, is there any time in a moment in our life when we felt we were abandoned by God, which He never does? He always accompanies us to live our faith. And so to Lord, as we thank the Lord for giving us so-called His accompaniment in our life journey, we ask Him once again to help us to persevere in the end, come what may.